Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to organize your Google Chrome bookmarks. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open Chrome's main menu. This is where you'll find most of Chrome's settings and features. After clicking the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Now hover your mouse over the option that says Bookmarks and Lists. You don't need to click it just yet, just hover over it to reveal a submenu with additional bookmark options. This submenu gives you quick access to all your bookmark management tools. From that submenu, click on Open Bookmark Manager. This will take you to a dedicated page where all your saved bookmarks are displayed in an organized view. The Bookmark Manager is your central hub for editing, organizing, and managing everything you've saved in Chrome. Now that you can see all your bookmarks laid out in front of you, let's start organizing them. First, locate any bookmark you want to edit and click the three dots beside it. This opens a small menu with several options for managing that specific bookmark. From this menu, click Edit. A pop-up window will appear where you can change the name and URL of your bookmark if needed. This is useful if you want to make the bookmark name shorter or fix a broken link. Once you've made your changes, click Save to apply them. Now let's explore some other useful options. Click the three dots beside the same bookmark again, and this time click Copy. This creates a copy of that bookmark which you can paste elsewhere. To do this, click the three dots once more and select Paste. You'll now have a duplicate bookmark, which is handy if you need the same link in multiple folders. Organizing your bookmarks by position is simple. To arrange them, just click and hold any bookmark, then drag it anywhere you want within the Bookmark Manager. This lets you manually order your bookmarks based on your preferences or how frequently you use them. If you prefer automatic sorting, head to the upper right corner of the Bookmark Manager and click the three dots. From the menu that appears, click Sort by Name. Chrome will instantly reorganize all your bookmarks alphabetically, making it easier to find what you're looking for. You can also create folders to group related bookmarks together. Click the three dots in the upper right again, and this time select Add New Folder. A pop-up will appear asking you to give the folder a name. Type in a name that describes the bookmarks you'll store there and click Save. Once your folder is created, you can easily organize your bookmarks into it. Simply drag any bookmark and drop it into that folder. This keeps your bookmarks neat and categorized, making navigation much faster. And that's it. You've successfully organized your Google Chrome bookmarks by editing, duplicating, arranging, and grouping them into folders. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.